Alright, so sorry to break this up into two videos. But anyway, the next example I want to take a look at is negative 10x to the fourth plus 27x to the third minus 10x squared minus 3x minus 7 divided by x minus 2. Now, as you can see, I've already taken the liberty of copying down the coefficients of my dividend into the division bar. And I took the second term, the constant term of my divisor. It was a negative 2, and I changed it already over to a positive 2. Now again, just like we did in the last example, we're going to bring down this negative 10. Okay, this first term is always going to come straight down. We're going to take the 2, multiply it by the negative 10, and then write our answer directly below the 27. So 2 times the negative 10 is a negative 20. Add these two numbers in the second column together. 27 minus 20 is indeed 7. Repeating this process, we're going to take the 2, multiply that by the 7, write our product directly below the negative 10. So 2 times 7 is 14. Negative 10 plus 14 is 4. 2 more times through. We're going to take that 2, multiply it by the 4 to give us 8. Negative 3 plus 8 is 5. And one last time, 2 times 5 is 10. Negative 7 plus 10 is 3. Now this 3 down here on the end is our remainder. So this quotient does not divide out evenly. So just like how we did long division, we're going to have to write our answer a little bit differently. As in the last example, okay, remember, these are the coefficients of our polynomial or quotient. So what we're going to do is write down the negative 10 and then decrease this exponent by 1. So that's going to be a negative 10x to the third plus, and then go down the line, 7x squared plus 4x plus 5. Now, as you recall from the long division example, we're going to write this as a mixed expression. So we're going to write plus our remainder, which is 3, over our original dividend, which is x minus 2. And that's how we write remainders. Now, I have one more example for synthetic division. I'm looking at 2x to the third minus x squared plus 3 divided by x minus 3. Now, as we did in the last two examples, we're going to write down the coefficients of our dividend, which is the 2, the negative 1. Notice, in this example, as opposed to the last, I'm missing an x term. So to mark it as a placeholder, I'm going to write a 0 inside my bar here. And then I can go ahead and write to 3. So anytime you're missing a term with an exponent, so in this case it's an x, if it had been x squared, you're going to write a 0 as a place marker in here. Now the process is going to be the same. You're going to bring down that 2. Take the 3, multiply it by the 2 to give you 6. Negative 1 plus 6 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 0 plus 15 is still 15. And then 3 times 15 is 45. 3 plus 45 is 48. So this gives me a quotient. Notice again, my last term here is my remainder. So my quotient, again, decrease that exponent by 1, will be 2x squared plus 5x plus 15 plus my remainder of 48 over my original divisor, which was x minus 3. Again, that is a mixed expression.